A 17-year-old teenager from Philippines accepted Islam because she find peace.
You sure ha? Kasi I know that you are still young. Kumbaga, you are still 17 years old, bata ka pa. So, but dahil gusto mo na, so hindi, I cannot stop you because this is your will and, di ba, decision. Are you willing to accept Allah to be your God and worthy of our worship? Willing ka ba?
Willing na po.
Okay. At ikaw rin ba, sister, willing ka na rin ba tanggapin at kilalanin si Propeta Muhammad na sugo ng Allah?
Yes po.
Yes, testifying that there is no true God worthy of worship except Allah. Just follow me, ha? Bismillah,
Bismillah,
Ar-Rahman,
Ar-Rahman,
Ar-Rahim.
Ar-Rahim.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
alla ilaha
an la ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluh. Takbir, Allahu Akbar, takbir, Allahu Akbar, takbir, Allahu Akbar. Congratulations po at welcome po sa Islam, Sister Erica. Masaya ako para sa iyo dahil you decided to accept the truth